So we are super excited at Jefferson to be hosting our 95th celebration this year. Our building was built in 1928 and it is 2023. So our school committee is in the planning process of preparing for our 95th celebration on Tuesday, October 17th from 3 to 4:30. The event will be an open house style format. So we are inviting current families, past families that are patriots to come and enjoy and the opportunity to look at Jefferson School now and reminisce about their time here in the building. So during the 95th celebration, we will have some live music for you to enjoy. Our staff members will be providing building tours. Our student ambassadors and our staff will be serving some light refreshments. And then our students are preparing some artifacts to hang throughout the building for people to enjoy as they take tours. And then there will be some artifacts, including yearbooks and some pictures from our 95 years in the community. So we hope that you can stop by and join us sometime on Tuesday, October 17th between 3 and 4:30.